If you are into AI video creation, you can still create videos for free every day. You can create up to 10 minutes videos or even more than that, depending on your strength and depending on your choice. There are a lot of free tools there that you can use to create videos. AI free tools, a whole lot of them. These apps, they give you free credit every day to create free videos, and the good thing is that once it's 11:59, this credit resets on its own and you start to use it again. And you also have the freedom to log into these sites, into these free apps with different email accounts. These apps are designed to help us in time of emergency. Imagine when you are creating your video on Grok or Flow AI, maybe you subscribe to the app and all of a sudden they tell you that your credit has finished for the day. What are you going to do? You are going to be stranded. So what you need to do is to rush into the free app so that you can finish creating your video. Otherwise, you have to wait till the following day. What if you want to post the video today? Are you going to wait till tomorrow before you complete the video creation? So this is one of the reasons they gave us those free tools, so that in case of emergency, you'll be able to create your video and not wait till tomorrow or have to wait for some hours before your credits resets on the other app. Note that one free tool cannot create a long video for you in a day. No, there is no free app that will give you a lot of credit to create long video in a day. What you do is to change email. You log in with different email, or you master a lot of apps, so that whenever you exhaust your credit on this one, you then go to another app. There are a lot of apps that will create excellent videos for you. Some of them you have to create images there if you want to, and then still animate your videos there. And guys, their camera angles are excellent depending on how you prompt it. If you're into short videos, short AI videos, you may not need to subscribe to any app except you want to, because there are a lot of AI free apps there as well. So all you need to do is to master how to prompt your videos, because with a wrong prompt you are going to get a wrong video, and then that credit is gone for the day. You have to wait till the following day. For example, now when you are using Flow AI gives you 50 credits here or thereabouts, and you have to generate 2 videos daily. Each video is 8 seconds with a particular account, with a particular email account. So imagine when you give it a wrong prompt and it gives you a video that you don't like, that credit is gone already. So you have to master how to write your prompt so that you won't make mistake and just waste the credit. Okay, even when you get your prompt from ChatGPT or you wrote it by yourself, make sure that you add the sound, the camera angles and everything, so that when the video comes out, it comes out nice. You don't have to regenerate again. Although sometimes, no matter how you prompt, there will still be a little mistake which makes you to regenerate, but all the same, you have to master your prompt very well. This particular video displaying on the screen was made with a free tool. I made it today with a free tool, so I will walk you through how I was able to make it using a particular free tool. But before that, watch what I made. So guys, let's get started. This is the particular website. When you go to your Google Chrome, you type Veo 3. There are so many Veo 3, so you have to pay attention to know the one that you can choose. Okay, let's scroll down and look for the particular one that we are looking for. So you see that one written Veo 3 AI, free AI video generator. You see it? That's the particular one, so you have to click on it. So guys, it says generate stunning 4K videos with AI, create professional videos from text prompts with realistic physics and native audio. So that's the particular one that we want. We click on it. When you click on it, this is what you have. You have image to video and you have text to video. So this is how the interface looks. We are going to click on image to video. Okay, so by now you should have your image ready. Otherwise, you go to Gemini or Google Flow or Thinker by Spotify. A lot of apps that can help you to generate images. Okay, so first of all, we have to click on sign in. See sign in there, we will click on it. Then you choose the account that you want to sign in with. I always recommend signing in with Google, so that it can just bring your email account and you choose the particular one that you want to sign in with. So after signing in, you click on image. You can see first frame and second frame and last frame rather. So you click on your start frame. Okay, Then you can upload image. You choose the particular image that you want to animate. You wait for a while because it's going to take about 30 seconds or up to 1 minute for the image to upload. After uploading your image, you scroll down so that you can choose your aspect ratio and the rest of them. So guys, the image has finished uploading, but first let's go to ChatGPT and get my prompt. So this is the prompt that ChatGPT gave me based on my story. Okay, if I want, I can just copy this prompt and go to my notes and still edit it. But if I like it this way, I'll just copy it, go back to the site and paste it here. See the space where you can paste prompt. Okay, so you click on the empty space and click on paste. Then you scroll down, click on this particular place here so that you can choose the particular tool. If you choose any other tool apart from Veo 3.1 Lite, it will not generate because this site gives you 6 credits daily. Can you see it? Can you see the credit there? It gives you 6 credits daily, and that Veo 3.1 Lite has 6 credits for 8 seconds video. So after choosing it, you just have to select your aspect ratio and 720 pixel. You can see 8 seconds there. There are other tools here that can give you 10 seconds video and 12 seconds video, but the credit limit is higher than what they are giving you daily. Okay, so that's why we have to use Veo 3.1 Lite. Okay, so guys, after selecting everything, you can see everything is clear now. So you have to click on generate video, and then it will ask you to verify that you are a human. You tap on the button so that you can verify that you are a human and then start generating your videos. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to generate an 8 seconds video, so you have to be patient so that it will generate your video. All right, so guys, this is the video. It has finished generating my video and this video came out nice. So you just have to tap on the play button so that the video can play. You can see option there to re-edit your video or regenerate in case you don't like it, but unfortunately you don't have enough credits to either edit it or regenerate. Okay, it's either you change your email, like you log in with another email the normal way we do it. Okay, so you click on that arrow is save so that you can save the video. When you save the video, you just click on save. The video will automatically be saved in your files. So guys, you can just go here, sign out if you still want to generate more video. That's how I was able to generate a 20 seconds video. Okay, so you can just click there, sign out and sign in with another email so that you can generate more of the videos that you want. And you can also subscribe to this app if you want to. Their money is not that high. You can see the monthly plan and you can see the yearly plan. I just went through it and it's not even that high, so you can choose to subscribe to it if you want to or not. It depends on your choice. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. Look at this video now, it came out so nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question or any comment or anything at all you want to tell me, drop it in the comment section. I will be in the comment section. Okay, all right guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.